Jesus is going to... What happened to his arm? Ruben broke Jesus' hand. Now you're just going to oil him to death.
We need 2 of the big bottles. And we need them by tonight.
Look at the big reveal. Oh, what's under this?
Wait for it.
What is it?
Oh my god. Whoa. Dougie got this skimmed for me. Skimmed. That means that
Somebody
happened.
brushed it.
Yeah, and then it was shiny like this. Brian has shown me how to put in my valves.
So you do this.
All right.
For 10 to 15 seconds per valve.
And it'll eventually just...
And then it'll be perfect.
So we're moving on to some engine progress here, and we're lapping the valves. So he's got this little tool which has a suction head on it for lapping valves. So there's a paste.
Put effort, downward and rotating effort, 20 valves times a ball ache and a pain in your hand.
And it's all going to be supervised by the one-armed Jesus. See, this is what always happens.
Please.
It's total. We were supposed to do something here, and now we're doing something else.
But now we're
straight away. We're restoring
We're gonna
Jesus.
restore Jesus.
Overnight parts from China. New Jesus hand.
Who makes it? You're gonna put it on the...
So what's the point of this?
You use this toothpaste, if you will,
Yes.
to polish the face of the valve into the face of the seat by lapping.
This is a miserable job.
Get another third, buddy.
Can you hear the paste?
This is...
Pain in the arse. Why I don't want to do it. See all the little pit marks?
Yeah.
Now, if you can't get them out, they need grinding. But this usually gets them out.
So just
And
as
then
we were about to start this, we
start.
realised that Brian doesn't actually have any of what we need here with the magical paste. So we'll stop.
Engine Colgate.
Yeah. Till next week.
Fuck off.
Yeah, so this is the front panel that Josh made, and Barry is going to further refine it.
Finesse it into the car.
Finesse it into the car.
Or if you're an American cup, it's vehicle.
Wow, that's actually incredible. So Josh, here he is. Hi Josh, how are you? He made this drill bit for us a second ago.
And even put the little nipple
He'll put the little nipple on
that
it.
centers it.
And now Barry's gonna put in the old piece that Josh made earlier.
He was reared on the fox's milk. You can tell by the gimp of him. Yeah.
Owen has found this in his shed. Technical data in 1991. Look at this. The A86. Ooh. Here's some spec at the timing. Vacuum range. 4A GE. Sounds like fucking misery. He also found this. Ken Nomura.
Holy moly.
Power book. Happy out. Wow, what a car, man. Fuck off. There's fuck all on the telly. That's funny seeing the high side 30 sticker. Mirrors are lovely, are they rally art? Yeah, I think so. All right. Welding upside down is fun.
Yeah, then you get a crick in your neck, and then if you hit like a piece of rust, you get like sparks in your ear.
Flame wheels, man. Every time.
Yeah, it's hard to fucking manipulate a joint wearing these fucking thick welding gloves. We're gonna make a road clip. Thank you, Vice Grips.
Yes.
Sound.
Many uses.
Right.
The glove can stay on. We've already tacked in these bad boys that Flo gave me. And now we're going to put in the final little bits here in a few minutes. Ooh, a metal pube. We're gonna salvage the old radiator hole yokes and then we're gonna tack them onto the back of the new panel. This is pretty funny. This is another piece of the Irish car that we pulled out of the bush and we managed to salvage something else off it, so.
The gift that keeps on
The
giving.
gift that keeps on giving. That's probably all we're gonna be getting off it.
She's nothing left to give.
It's a nice difference there. We're missing a few bits, so we stole Aiden's radiator fucking brackets. And now we're gonna steal his little rubber yoke. We need to borrow this. Sorry, Aiden. When you watch this, it'll be funny. It's heft to the grommet. Gone. Look at that. Oh. That's bang on. That's the angle Doug uses as well. Deadly. Serious cell smoker.
Breathe in the goodness. Cancer, all the way from the 80s.
Oh, look at that! It went bright red. So look, this
Show
is
them the other
snapped
side.
off in here. As you can see from in here, snapped. Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolute challenge, the recess one, and we can't get it from underneath.
Ah, oh, you shit cunt. Like the nipples of your lack.
Holy fuck.
Oh, fuck yeah, can.
Thanks, Barry. Barry just saved me so much fucking misery.
Pretty much. But fucking that Mike Brewer, I hate that guy. Let's see how the pennies are stacking up. Fuck off, Mike. Or how he says, he doesn't say manual. He says manual. It's got a manual in it. Fuck off. Polishing back the ears. Like, every one of them, like he's polishing back the ears. Fucking dick. Tense moments here.
Yeah.
When in doubt, lubricate. He wasn't wrong.
Oh, look at that.
Satisfaction guaranteed.
Look at that. Oh, yeah.
Drops Mike.
This is the final piece here now. That's it. Oh!
Whoa, you actually
This is in barbecues. Have one.
Oh, now you're interested. I'm Juicebox.
Nice.
Yes,
smoker.
I don't know what to, I actually don't know what to say. I'm dumbfounded.
Oh yeah, I forgot there's a car under here. Hey, look at this. It's a panda that's been hiding away, covered in dust. Bryan loves Truenos.
Oh, just half a tank of fuel in it.
I know.
You're just on top of it, you're like, oh, it's lovely. Look at that fucking rail traffic. Man, it's just so...
Watch, get a video of the dirt.
Yeah, just the roof dirt.
Have to.
Yeah, it makes more sense now. Should have a slow motion, sexy car wash montage.
Just like hitting the buzzwords.
So Josh,
Like this song.
Josh is here. He's going to help me finish the last little bits of the welding. Blob a few holes. We actually have a lot of stuff done here on the shell. Front panel weld, gusset chassis welds, a little nut for the passenger seat. Rad brackets are done. The engine holes weld. We need to do a little few of those. Drill the snap bolts is done. Barry did that. And then this has to be done. This is the paint. We'll just use this flap disc here. And Barry's here to fix stuff. Barry didn't have enough time the last day, so we're going to finish. We're going to keep some of the holes because we like that. We want that look, and then we're going to just anything with an X. We're going to get rid of these. This. It's not. How are you, Barry? Barry's replacing our fucking shitty outside light. Traditional Irish cuisine.
Yeah.
Nice French baguette. With chicken,
mayonnaise, and cheese.
Josh is blocking up the holes where the original loom went because we're not going to run the original loom anymore. We're going to do like a very minimal tuck on the bay. These big fuckers are going to spray Ireland in through, so we're going to blank them off. So while we're looking for ideas and stuff, it's pretty useful that we have a full wire tuck here. So here's the full wire tuck. And we're going to get rid of the holes here. I'm going to do this wire tuck. So we're going to leave some of the holes because I just like that look. But we're going to get rid of these ones because Aiden is running the inner arch liner. It's going to be gone. Fucking diesel now! Sound.
Get up, mate.
Yeah, it's lovely. Future Spidey cunts, they're back. Woo! The heavy Japanese guy that broke the seat. We're going to fix it. This Civic bonnet has fucking gotten good mileage for us.
Very warm.
And Barry's just tipping away up there. Hey, Barry. Holy shit, that's close. That's nice. You're a wizard, Barry. Barry's gifted me this light, which was over here. We have a light! I actually never had a light over my area. They were all over here, so I was just in the darkness. And now we have a fucking light. Happy.
Josh is happy and all that.
Done. Hey! 60 grit.
That's great. Slap it on there now. Ha! Well, mate.
So we cut this little bit off the front of the shell, which is still living up there. There's a tiny little piece missing off mine that's rusted through, and we're just gonna patch it up. I'm happy. You happy? Yep. I just want to be like you, Barry. So another thing we're going to fix today is poor Ruben has a permanent leak on his car. It drips onto his poor Corolla, and that's why he has this here. So we're going to get up in the cherry picker, just a collection of idiots. Scary with the camera.
Oh my god. Oh,
I'm just testing the leaks here.
Thanks, Barry. Right, just get back down now. Good.
Josh loves heights.
That's your new light.
New light on the shade. Josh.
Gets me. It gets me.